Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to perform a 360 spin in Skate 4. This is a fundamental trick that will add style to your gameplay and serve as a building block for more complex maneuvers. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to gain some air by pressing the jump button. Make sure you've built up a decent amount of speed beforehand to achieve proper height for completing the full rotation. Once you're airborne, push and hold the left joystick either to the right or to the left. It's important to maintain this position consistently throughout the trick. Don't worry about which direction you choose. Both clockwise and counterclockwise rotations work perfectly fine. So select whichever feels most comfortable for your playstyle. Continue holding the stick in your chosen direction until your character completes a full 360-degree spin. The timing here is crucial. Release too early and you'll only perform a partial rotation, which might affect your landing. For the smoothest execution, I recommend starting with slower spins until you get comfortable with the timing. As you progress, you can attempt this trick with greater speed and height for more impressive gameplay moments. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to perform a 360 spin in Skate 4. This trick is incredibly handy for building your repertoire and impressing others with your skating skills. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.